What are the consequences for an employer not withholding federal taxes?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial area of business operations, federal tax withholding. In particular, we're going to explore the consequences that employers may face if they fail to withhold these taxes from their employees' wages. Understanding these consequences is vital for any business owner or manager, as they can have significant legal and financial impacts on the organization.
What does withholding federal taxes mean?
The federal government requires employers to withhold certain taxes from their employees' wages. These are generally income taxes and FICA, Federal Insurance Contributions Act, taxes, which fund Social Security and Medicare. Employers then remit these taxes to the government on the employee's behalf. This process is known as federal tax withholding.
What happens if an employer doesn't withhold federal taxes?
If an employer does not withhold these federal taxes, they can face a series of serious consequences. 1. Penalties and interest. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, may assess penalties and interest on the amount of tax that was supposed to be withheld. The penalties can be substantial and can increase over time, depending on how long the taxes remain unpaid. The interest is usually compounded daily, which can significantly increase the total amount due. 2. Trust Fund Recovery Penalty. The IRS can impose a trust fund recovery penalty. This penalty is applied to the person responsible for withholding and paying the taxes, typically the business owner or a high-ranking executive. It can amount to 100% of the tax not paid. 3. Criminal charges. In extreme cases, the failure to withhold and pay taxes can lead to criminal charges. This is usually when the IRS believes the failure was willful and intentional. If found guilty, the responsible person can face imprisonment, in addition to fines.
How can an employer correct the mistake?
If an employer discovers that they have failed to withhold federal taxes, they should take immediate action to correct the mistake. This could involve consulting with a tax professional or attorney, making arrangements to pay the owed taxes, and possibly setting up a payment plan with the IRS. In conclusion, the failure to withhold federal taxes can have significant consequences for an employer, including financial penalties, personal liability, and even criminal charges. Therefore, it's critical to understand and follow the rules regarding tax withholding. If you're an employer, make sure you're properly withholding and remitting your employees' federal taxes. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of this issue. Stay compliant, and you'll keep your business running smoothly.